Check 1 2.
1 2 1 2 1 2. Yeah, we're on.
Hi guys. Ndima, what is it? Masiari. Masiari.
Yeah, Masiari.
Welcome to the Black Couch Diaries live show. Tingasiamburi episode number, because this is the first live show, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So welcome. Please step in. We know it's hot, but we're not going to take your time. Thank you. I'll pass over to Tanga.
Hi.
That was quick. No?
Hi guys. Yo guys.
So just try and be.
We're doing this today, and yeah, it's the first of many. So I'm gonna see everyone on the next one. I'll remember your faces, and then guys, so yeah, as Uapfa said, welcome to the first ever live show that we are having. Yeah, the Black Couch Diaries. Hopefully by next year, as you saw that we are introducing other segments, just make sure that you'll be on the lookout. Maybe now or next year, segment so yeah, something like that. So yeah, welcome. Who do you see that you notice? Yeah, I
know almost everyone. Who do I see that I notice?
That you're like, no, this person. Yo.
I've been waiting to say that.
Oh yeah, if you're going to obviously.
Yeah.
Oh, and they're doing when funny enough. Yeah,
okay, how old is she?
I think she's like, okay, in 1980. 1980.
1980.
That's what she said on the interview, Mar.
She's like 65 or so.
Yeah, probably. 59.
64.
64. Yeah, so yeah guys, welcome. Oh, MR21 and all that. So this episode, as always, is brought to you by MR21. Whenever it has the funerals and insurance, whenever so apparently Ngachukua is just saying etc. So and etc. But then they do a lot of services and then also we're coming at you live from Nandoni Riverview. It's also part of what they have. So it's sort of like an umbrella in and then Wana Riverview, and then they also have other ventures. So yeah, we're happy to have you guys. If you want to know more about them, Kayla, number phone 01515100251 or 0252. You have those who go to the says and this Dwangato, and see what was going to be
Maroto.
Lily Roto. Adam's another little Roto Langa. So yeah, welcome guys. So I don't know, is there anything you want to start with?
I don't know. Since we're here, we should start with the invites.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what happened with the invites? I want to understand.
Okay, so
because now we no invites, no poster. That's what I want to know. What's the difference?
So, okay guys, here's the thing, and I want you to listen attentively. So what happens is that we invite Awatu for a podcast, and then we know there's like people are content creators, some are influencers, and then some are just people that are subscribed to us. So we're like, you know what, let's send out these invites that are special to the influencers, your content creators, so that comes the vlog and another the Duma, cause the audience is out. And then this guy, all of a sudden, I send him an invite.
Oh, guy, I know you.
Yeah, Otakuwa. He's probably taking content. Okay,
exactly.
Guys, I mean. So this guy send an invite specifically for him. The same way I did to your mom. Oh, and if you can always contact me. No, so yeah, you know.
Yeah.
So yeah, all I'm doing, I'm invite, and then komangala or reposter. I'm like, when it's an invite, munhu atwa konzera kazi DM no why vamwe vatwa kurovidziwa specially rine vamwe varisavidzi. I'm like, guys, there's a poster there mwana mumwe kuivona uri okay ndikuinvitwa in this gig inyakodete. And it's like, no, mara vamwe vatu vaona ya special, who are they? And I check, okay, havala petu uko trenda dzina la Makato. Ufi Makato, ambara zvesamba zva green, ndomuvone nepo ipo. So I'm like, guys, it just doesn't make sense to me. No send him to invite. Mandomubuzori if ndachata, then munyanya nikatoangwa.
Kuti yotorambwa nga phone so he doesn't extend it.
No, rambo acharambiwa.
Okay.
Rikupunguza ntu, kolomo zikudhura.
Ndozama.
So yeah, what happens with you if now I invite and you just want to brag about it?
Why would you want to brag about an invite?
You know, people, they think, okay, no invite to a page, so yeah, like this bigger person. I'm sure like it feels like it's bigger than everyone now. It's like, yeah.
I think it works for content creators because it brings them more views. Mara from Tonongane, now and I post a screenshot, I don't think it makes a difference. You know, current content creator, yes, it would make sense.
Aren't you one though?
Ndiko vlog ndahangwa, so I don't think that counts as a content creator.
Oh, apparently vatu vane vari vachiko vlog ati uvlog avo nechandama ndimusi mutu ofara kamera ako chimira kuita chimwe na chimwe, just so you know ti. So if mutu achiko vlogger, so ndevela zvine you're like, oh okay nendinasu zvanga kanji ufi mutu atoricha mukati, just know they were drunk.
Okay, no, hold on. No, Nico, you're getting it wrong. Like ndiyatoma maybe ndikuita get ready with me. Then I change outfit ndahangwa. So now ndidova ndikuisa panda ndigoro inondambara outfit ya different. Or maybe I get to a restaurant and I start eating ndaumbura nditsinopedza. So I've realized that maybe in terms of content creation I should just stick to podcasting because I do more better because a reality. I don't think I can do it.
Yeah.
Guys, there's no way. I'm not going to do that.
Oh, so people do that,
I don't know how to do it. Guys, come on.
Yeah,
it's a lot of work. I appreciate everyone that does it because it's a lot of work. That is crazy.
But then that's what content is. Okay, keeping up with the Kardashians. At least those ones. I think that's what I've seen. Or the content creators, they're probably trying to imitate those ones. But those ones, they have money, they have everything that they can wanna have. So what do I hire a muta?
Yes,
so we don't have any resources. So what you can do is like go in the house, na via camera, na via na kokonya. There's also nooking ya watu vanji. And then again, and they so like the budget.
Nichiko read and I see and I guys, come on. I will not more. That thing is a lot.
I recently saw this other
Niko jogga na I see and I
yeah.
So instead of doing 5 kilometers, you do 10.
No. So you know the changazo?
Ujoga kano vlogger.
Vlogger.
At Koni, guys, I think we can all do everything, eh? Vlogger, they can't do podcasting, you know?
Yeah.
I'm sure people don't know because it doesn't feel like a job. But the minute it starts feeling like I don't think that's where you belong.
Yeah.
You know? If you want to start, you can start, guys.
Otoma channel I reach up kati or computer this one. None I'm sorry this this one. So that's another thing about it. Like I was okay, so. You're gonna pay that guy.
Exactly. So, don't do that.
Yeah, so but then generally I'm going to emphasize guys, invite. Now when I invite, it's all yours. If I want to go to one and I room send it out, most probably. So you never know. So like yeah. What's been happening besides Makato? Or dinner? Because I
was also mad. Because some of my family members saw it and then they're surprised or how wine is rambarin. And I'm like, no, it's not pay invite, it's like
you see? So yeah, it's that easy, man. Yeah. Anything that has been happening that you want to talk about?
What do you want to start? Events-wise or... We can start with one-woman show.
Oh yeah, Makhadzi.
Yeah.
Let's start there. What happened? Aribengi mutu guys, but then if you misbehave, we're probably going to talk about that.
Like honestly, I don't want to lie. I feel like it was a success. The Saturday one, Amaku.
Yeah.
It was packed. Those who know Makhadzi has her people, guys. Each never chamber my plastic and continue dancing. That's when I knew. Makhadzi has her own fans. For the type of weather we had, I'm not going anymore. Yeah. But it was full.
Yeah.
No one push a wheelchair away. You saw that video. That's when I knew. That's when I knew.
I saw that video. Wait, okay, I took offense. It's gonna sound wrong. And
everything you say sounds wrong. Just continue.
No, Mara, why are you chimbira?
I'm sure there's balance. Okay, you never know. Move.
Okay, technically,
if this part is not there, you could still move, right?
In other words,
basically, my assumption was ngorobo na matope wheelchair ngaba yo stuck. Not like that. Mara, okay, no, guys, not like that. Mara, listen to it. Kauri, guys.
Okay, guys, here's my question. If guys.
Guys, we just started. Don't make me look like this person.
If they're handicapped, like
yeah,
like no baby was you gumane pakanda one accident.
Yeah.
Ndichichimbira ndipo fendi kokoko bakana ndikadichimbira.
Niko dichimbira.
Mara magona ndita mini.
Hana magona though. Because you gumapa. I don't think igumapa. I think igumapa. You get what I'm saying? So nendiko sikubona ngari kori umuve mirenje. Now umuve wheelchair. I feel like the thing that would get stuck more in the wheelchair. So that person was really smart about it.
Yeah.
Makumondo shika ya ndalo nocha. He had to get home.
Mvulani futhi.
And obo una matope.
I think there is nyagochimbira also easy. Ningori I feel like nendi mtu wa bed. No.
Kula magatu guys.
Guys, Makato ndio la wo senda invite atongisana watu.
Wahayas.
Yeah. Ndiye ne ono la mtu aone wera roko wera tomanga. But then I was still saying uri. But it's fine, man. It's fine. Let's do it like our Here's what happens. I feel like nichimbira first ni mwode pari cause anina zukunu zono ni hold her back. Don't you think?
But you need them to move faster. That's why nichigidi manchita so, right?
Friction. Yeah, zukunu chimbira shikanda pasi mbo the breaker.
You're crazy.
That's why that guy was going fast.
So you know nyombuzo ni kokoba faster than uchimbira. Is that what you're saying?
Mwana koko over fast.
Don't play.
Ono chimbira soti.
I bet there's no running koko. You can only move and your pace.
Mara, we thank Makhadzi, man.
No, the show was amazing. I don't want to lie. It was raining, but it was packed. And I think that's what counts as a success ka event, right? So it was packed. I think it was a success. Tingo yakaya anjerere, but
I was about to ask you, wait time because ufi watu banja bangoda. Wait, kaya tuma boda obone baimbi.
So I saw nendo tuwa uko performanyi. I don't know, but nditsi no ndo bona videos za mahu. So I saw Mahu, I saw DJ Zinhle, Mr. Brown.
Yeah, Mr. Brown Ubatini, Zimbabwe is just here. You wouldn't miss it.
We're not talking about distance. We're talking about showing up.
No, I get it, Mara. You will show up if you are there.
Mara, my problem was people that started complaining or artists as because my chat is aungwambo finyuko darini so ni kwatisa hani mando kwata ni wana guy because aungo categorize wa ure hizi artists ndiza Sunday ndiza Saturday.
I think they were supposed to go to both the events.
There's no way, guys. Come on. Guys, no, you guys are being unfair. Are artists chibadiro 80,000? You think Makhadzi is gonna have 160 for one person? For what? Amara, now I don't think also if that's the case, they must sleep, una accommodation, una rider. That's almost 200,000 on one artist.
Which is doable.
You guys want a lot from her.
Okay, apparently.
That's a lot of money.
8 million. Do you think it's possible?
Wait a minute.
8 million those gigs.
How much were the general tickets? Zita guy general?
150, 200.
Maybe.
I was all black.
That can happen at the club. It was amazing. You should try it.
All black.
People kept on asking me, oh, guy will land at because she was so.
No,
I told them the truth.
Why it naturally? Kana mio abanyagati jena after 2.
Ndizone. Abanyagi ininchi jena kana goro yabo ichi jena which one?
Both.
And it was very time guru zaweke guru na. Anyway,
finally, ela guru nyaveke guru ti?
No, like we are mu baby. Marayone inavu.
Irimke guru.
Yes, inavu I have kids. I have 2 kids, like Makhadzi.
I have 3 kids.
You know, fortuna.
Yeah, yampo.
Yampo, yes. It's giving family man, liquid fruit, you know. Kemche at the back, you get what I'm saying?
Yes, bodon. Guys, I know ni one episode ya Chanda, guys. The best. When was bodon, I mean, hey. Rani do the pumle.
Hey, mani wanga uswika.
Mani wanga ndi wapio.
Okay.
Hey, ulandi 30 cent.
Ni.
Hey! I want a bank account.
That's Jilipi. Who's a Jilipi?
Why you go to Chilipi?
Ndiko muna Chilipi, una Chilipi shona mbelero.
Chikara borengi.
Yeah. Amen.
Oh, wait. Iman, Jamaro, if... Okay, here's the thing I used to do it. Kare, mi anga basina cherede.
How you know mana cherede?
Mana tuko.
Mana cherede?
Vari ni booth, vachinchengera Jamaro ti. Nga Christmas, vari Chilipi ni chipange nga ngomuri dozvumisa.
Ah!
Don't you think that's the case? Yeah?
Alinga farisi mkeguru ini.
I think that's the case.
Ziyafareliwa.
Nah, just
Oh, zingaba zikuuma.
Probably, I don't know.
Anga chitukura 30 cent ndi yamtemba. What store is it? Oh. Hey, this all.
Okay. We have a rich auntie in the building now. Oh, now I'm going to do nga Makhadzi wadio. Nori memulwano.
Mane wangu.
Mane.
No, ndandikuri osvika.
Ndiwapio.
Tina nomuninde, but you know her.
Ini vana vanhu vodapfama.
Rothe hashu we are tall.
You are not tall.
Okay, I'm the shortest person in the house, basically.
This is what vana vanhu vo 30. No, na ini koi.
That's true though. Nazvienda ndine ndotendosoroka size 4. Everyone is.
Platform
guys, I'm literally the shortest person. I mean, I don't know what mistake happened.
Neta life science.
Huh?
Neta life science.
Don't be like that. Neta life science marazias. So yeah, they look like models, but they look like basketball. What? Then there's me. That's when I choose.
Where's my favorite? Ikla chingwe. Chigachone nepa. Chamjita.
Chamjita dichipi. Muredi.
Hey. Nah, but then it's okay. Yeah. Speaking of all black also, so the thing Ufinyu was king. Mutendi. What happened there?
I didn't see it, guys. And it happened Phyll as a performer. You know when Phyll is performing, I'm there. So it yangangi. No manganga machiro. And those one don't know what's been paint.
Okay, guy.
I don't know. Maybe Momsongari would. No, I didn't even see the fight. Videos.
But then did you see the video? And I could not cup here empty.
Guys, okay, what makes you guys say the cup was empty? Are the cup we black?
Here's the thing. Kananato fake is a like the H to cheer amber. And besides
guys.
that, no, okay, nibone a kaputi.
Mara,
I na cheat to a kaputi. Here's what I'm gonna do. Numina cup is out each year first of all, which is what I saw. Nijiri.
Mara, my question is why
Mara,
would
if cup here.
We when you go calculators knows you too. Okay. Why would she drink Muya? She was sitting in a table where there was alcohol. That I saw.
No, I don't know because I think people go ask me, like it's probably like, okay, and the corner mara kapu pera, maranyo video. So before Richita refill, let's just drink because at least you smell mutu or in the kapu straight up gets angry.
I don't know. Then I could know a glass. I didn't use a glass.
Rich auntie. Always. So yeah, but then I think. This is never for MTL cup. No, even on a video, I think I saw it multiple times. I was like, there's no cup.
No, guys, but let's be frank. Cup is not to ear one ananga.
Yeah. You don't want to sharp.
But okay, Ndiko Burrow one at the motive behind it because she was sitting at a table where there was alcohol. I don't think she would drink Kapuisnachito.
Alcohol was there, Mara. It's probably who your content. It didn't plan. Okay, that
can I realize by the time I go no right nachito? How about that?
You don't do it twice. She did it twice. Or 80, Ari. Then I was like, no, it can't be empty. But then no, it's
Eish.
fine. And I'm not diva. But then either way, urwa as soon as
Uri wanda uzvibona.
I mean, I go to bit. Okay, no.
Ndobona ka Facebook nne, I didn't see the actual thing. Ndobona ka Facebook there was a lady and a man wait to a pick mix. Looks like maybe it's the wife fighting the other girl for the man. I don't know. They allegedly none of them to a story because she didn't speak up about it.
Yeah.
And the other girl I removed the Yibi.
Yeah. Because at first I thought in the Zonzo. Then I was like, no, like I never radio. Then I realized
why?
I don't know, man.
Come on.
In the end of food, okay, Marandori and Chambuzama Pongo. Marindona Mbuza either way. He let the news cafe.
Eish. Yeah. Yo.
No, really. You're on the ambitious space. Okay, now I'm barring a post DVD. No reasons are not ready.
Ne.
Uapfa, not Ramanare. No, Zonzo.
Mara, we've had this chat before. Rono's Yamba episode, right? Rari, if she okay, Rosyamba, let's go or reposter. Rari, Anayo, he can come forth. It's not a big deal. So you know why you was the word in your own Twisaven?
No, I'm telling you, Randy on.
Nitubanisi, Ayani.
No, it's for anytime.
But there are no pets. And he's do you understand how far that is?
Chishuru. But then.
Anyways, I think he can come prove it. But
Nyana.
I don't know.
No panga
definitely you're not younger though.
Nah.
Don't lie.
Do you think they're fine with Makhadzi though?
He was there. They're fine. He was driving a car. You want one woman show. We saw him together.
Because you can force. Nothing they force and
But then if I don't want you as a friend, I'm not gonna have. You're not gonna brand my car with receipt and paint.
Remember, Nili Rotolanga. What if Lingo done and Manga Marutundo and Moscow cancel a sponsorship? Because I'm already
Mara, if that's not the case, I'd was Jena one woman show or Jena.
That's always a ticket or that kind.
No, over Anaela your Jena.
Yet Venda.
As yet Venda, it's still 1.5 do one and Baba so I read the ring was I don't know, they were like 16.
Yeah, but then it's okay.
So I think Unayo,
nah, man. Nah, he's a good guy. Then anyways, this is the free run about. I mean, what else do you want us to move to? What? Thank you for watching this episode. It is proudly brought to you by MR21 Funerals and Insurance. If you want to know more about their funeral plans and all the insurance that they have, make sure you contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252. Or you can contact them on their WhatsApp number, which is 061-509-0775 or www.mr21.co.za. MR21, true respect.
Anyways, Merry Christmas. Wrong one or Merry Christmas?
Oh, Merry Christmas, guys. Niripet's gift ya. Ufuwa nwamba tu Toma. Neru nangwamba when to your gift. Merry Christmas. I
Merry
think
Christmas.
Oh, you are
How has Christmas been? How did you spend yours?
In Mbia Konani, man. No, it was a normal one.
How big you want?
Yeah.
Like real food.
What's real food?
Like food, like Christmas food, like your rice, your chicken. The gravy. Who's the gravy? Ela? Not that one.
No, Ela Yavesio.
Ibyo?
It's Venda.
You know you have a rice?
I'm waiting.
Not that one.
I wanna. Olo rice yashu. No, olo abuswa.
Okay.
Can.
Baboneta mkeguro.
Oh, ni azori mianga babela kamini buswa.
But
Ka filled ba.
why? Champagne yetu iwana kufunga ina champagne.
Ya blue.
Ni just kama jita na unaina usho.
I'm too quick.
What? No, shikaro mzawatu ni sorted. Why me on the one I feel bad? Let's start there.
No, that's what I can't go to do. About what the corner. Because we.
Some me on the one the corner if it rain.
Nah, manyan. Yeah, but then in the way on Christmas, I saw how no about Dara. I could go or no go wa. Was there in 19?
It was nice. It was just lunch, then rabrayo. It was vibes. Easy, family, kids. It was just nice.
Do you wish to have like your own house at some point? Now I'm going to invite abantu, but you chill there, you brine, and then like it's all nice.
In the long run. In the long run, yeah.
Oh, speaking of that, so I think we're still busy planning. Now not dranging brown na tembi. Yo, pango. So, and then the LT son, the lady who imband, then she came, and then other LT son. The lady who imba gospel.
Okay, I don't know.
Yeah, no. And then when she came, he's like, oh, I think I know you from somewhere. Then because she didn't recognize her. And I'm I
also don't do that.
Imagine the mother.
Black Couch.
So she was like, no, I know you. And then later, I think after 10 minutes, she was like, oh, I know you from TikTok. I was like, oh. And then she comes to this thing already. Actually, your eyes, there's something wrong with your eyes. See? And I was like, eyes, and then Makhadzi I think Wambara. She was like, yeah, no, not Wambara, any moon. She was like, no, you have like lazy eyes. And then I realized, when I was trying to tell her, you have bedroom eyes. What are those eyes? Because
like the other guy that reposted my picture from the podcast. Remember, he re-reported. My eyes or something. Or what did that guy say? I'll check it on our chat.
So she was like,
what are bedroom eyes?
And lazy eyes, are they different also? Maybe someone can help us.
It comes in port.
I don't know the difference between lazy eyes and bedroom eyes. I've been on a bedroom eyes. Nah, I don't think any of these people know.
I think it's more or less the same thing.
In what way?
You just always look drunk. It doesn't mean you've got lazy eyes.
That is so.
You always look drunk. There's a difference. As lazy eyes.
Oh, I'm saying a story. I always look drunk.
Puza face. Magyuri puza face.
I think I've said this story. Even though no Shamba, people will probably remember it. I think they're grade 11, if not 9. That grade mean what one number? Come on. Probably grade 9. That's when I won't.
No, but I'm just shocked.
No, here's the thing, that's when I and then obviously I break Murin, and they're like, okay, it's my friends, judge baby you mean, so judge. That's Rana, what it? The lingo duba, Munga can always such bogisi, cha mechisi, Chinam Bajing and go. And I was like, eh, Banji by her, and I drop and the pangash command. Fine. And then that one I will receive rook, the pangamangi. Then I'm too Kuba. Then wana mbanje. Na wobo. Ababuzine. Like wako buzamutu asamba says 28 English. Ari hai. Rawana zimba. Then
oh yanga bonus.
Zokuma. Then no rawana mbanje. Then go find go video fino inini bodamba njene. Zuko dapo kori. Your eyes, they look like you're drunk. And then you tell me,
yeah, but maybe like, no,
don't
you think? Because if you're chilling in the same spot with people that are smoking, you're bound to get high.
No, that's irreal. It loves to show me. Oh. But then also, if I have a baby, no, actually, no,
and at that age, how we are one watch you are done. Like and like you are so helpless in high school. How when you watch to kind of allegation you're not homojola. It's over.
It's like
you can't fight it. They don't listen to you. Am I going to be that parent? What parent? What's strict?
The strict one. I mean,
am I going to be a parent? You need to start there.
Oh, there's that.
Yeah.
You don't want kids, do you?
Right now, I don't think of them. Not in a bad way.
Nice. Why would it be bad? I think
the blessing. Don't come to me with that chat. No. Kids are...
It's a bad thing, like...
No. I think kids are beautiful.
Hey.
No. I think kids are a beautiful thing when you can afford it.
Yeah.
And when I say afford it, I don't mean financially. I mean emotionally. I mean spiritually. Pella, the minute you have a kid... You need to, like, you're going to be forced to fast. Whether you know how to fast or not, you need to be able to pay for the kid. Emotionally, if you haven't healed from your own childhood traumas, you're going to pass them over. So that's another messed up generation. So people, they just think, I have money, and it's not just about affordability. Can you pray before you have a kid? Because the kid is going out there, you don't know what they're going to meet. They meet people. The only thing you can do is pray for them. So, but you want to be a mom. In what world?
But then
That's the thing. No, this innocent Shangoni who knows nothing to do about it, who didn't choose to be here.
Can you pray?
I can. You know I can pray. I used to be an intercessor. Why do you have a podcast? Oh, yeah. I have to be in the mood. I pray when I want to pray. Yeah.
Ooh.
You can feel like praying. You can feel like praying no zura. Don't you ever get that little snap of gratefulness and you just pray? Like it doesn't have to be one day you just look around you and realize how blessed you are and you start praying. Timetable.
Let's pray for the people, man. People are beautiful.
Right, but
look at the people.
Everyone is fine here. I'll start praying.
Alright. It's not okay. Oh, most probably.
He looks like someone that would go.
Yeah, man. So, what else has been happening?
We wanted to talk about Christmas. When we're still talking about Christmas, did you see the video on TikTok here, that guy with ice cream?
Oh, so I was like...
Did you guys see it? Did anyone see the ice cream video?
No, the
only thing they were saying is why you got share ice cream and a regular grocery. No misuanga minipal.
What do you think of that? I saw it. I just saw the context of the I was like, I'm not going to listen to it.
So for people that didn't see the video, it was a grown man or the share ice cream kangrasinga.
Yeah, large.
And then there isn't much. No, we're being frank. There isn't much. I share ice cream there. So but you don't even support, you don't do whatever. Man, go share ice cream unjinji. And then Dominic, you know Dominic?
Yeah.
He made a video about it. Ice cream for because he feels like so I'm both ways. Okay, I'm not happy about the way they spoke to him because of you know, but then at the same time, it can be tiring. Family member in a way are just trying. Okay, here's the thing. Arinasa show me nisa bringing any income. 9-inch ice cream will land the Buddha. You can eat the whole glass.
So
because you don't bring any income.
Mara,
okay, why are you not working 9? Aringisemboma or something, but do something. You can't just eat ice cream, bro.
But then also, why is that guy saying when you bring ice cream bra? Imagine
or something.
Ice cream December. Like, it just doesn't make sense to me.
No, I think he just wanted a spotlight.
There's there. What
did you think about it?
So, I feel like, obviously, okay, we don't know any guy which you so it could be that person which if you have security. I got that grade 9 and he has it. I don't know, security. There's those people. Those ones I wouldn't defend. Mara when I'm trying like they're busy trying every day to apply probably has a degree. Mara how change. So I'm talking about your last criminal.
This is why I said it.
Mara still, man.
No. Okay, let's bring it back to us, youth. Let's say we are going out.
Yeah. Yeah, as always, yeah.
Okay, we're going out. Somewhere Bambed or whatever. You understand? Guys, let's be honest. You didn't buy at the end of the day.
Also, it goes with the connection that you have with people.
Did you see the glass that he used?
You don't
have this big.
Yeah.
You didn't contribute. And you're ranking Wavana. There's no way.
Nah, I just feel like I think also we have connection. Say with friends, it's fine. they don't mind. So if you have no vulnerable there, like, oh, okay, maybe if I'm not charity, I do the vulnerable, but then also with family, you can have that thing where, okay, okay, look at someone.
Oh, you
like
want a
me.
guy appetite?
Appetite
to go guys assume. That's my question.
Manda go apply. So need to
happy man go apply. Why is he even eating that much?
Fasting in December.
Okay.
Would you fasting in December?
Okay, I'm not saying vatu vanga matungo vakuumbura mini thoni dzano ini as a person. Zvifanana ndotobvisiwa. Let's say my aunt says to me ari MGB. Did you put an order manifest so I can get the budget or require a guide? Do you get what I'm saying? You are just being human. Did Tony like ndoto bana mikwa. Dengas angaziro orders are 120 and then orders are 280.
I don't think the mikwa though. It's just that I know my people. Okay.
I know my people.
Imagine order shoes are 250. In another 9 something. Then you're like
120 and 280 is a huge difference. Ariko gonyesa kaito over 129. I'll have the same. Because I don't know what her budget is.
Maybe that's where that thing comes from. I'll have the same. I'll live the same.
No, not really. But what if auto orders that happens as well.
What was natural?
It's not always that deep. It's not always that deep. But yeah, I feel like the guy was being greedy, whether he's tired of applying or not. He was just being greedy.
Manila screaming to that
and then Dominic was saying, oh, no, it's just ice cream. And I'm like, that's what you guys don't understand. It's just ice cream, not Mu'midin.
It's not even
it takes forever for them to afford to buy ice cream. So come on. It's very wrong.
Probably in November.
You get what I'm saying?
26 Black Friday.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, so maybe it makes sense. But not but then, yeah.
So if you had an uncle that's usually they are very troublesome. Let's say he's a drunkard. He's always bothering you guys. Doesn't bring anything to the table. Because that's very equivalent. Ice cream na Danone. You pamana gain ice cream.
Ice cream dia rote.
Because why Nicola ice cream zavana tanga? I don't get it.
No, me ni chani bathu badipine ngazvino yeah, when you go to Samuta.
As to Sejila, Recomtusa Sebo, not ice cream.
Okay, Aram Kojamba.
Ice cream,
at least it's home Karabo Kachisebo.
I'm sure Bamuavera. Do you think he doesn't eat that guy?
Obviously,
Kushereko ice cream, you can tell he's used to eating.
I'm sure Mara. Also, with these things, you got trend me like, how do you know? So you got the at least you got ice cream. It just happens, and they're like, how did you know this thing is going to happen? Go video. Yeah, they will say, is it
not because we are always documenting stuff, Rene?
Yeah, content creators. Yeah. So it's a nice thing to have a content creator.
That's if her trenders are right. Her trenders are wrong, it's not a good thing.
Yeah, Eastern KP, I always see that. Yeah. So
it's not a good look.
Also, I wanted to speak about the life coaches. I've been seeing a lot of those. So I'm going to do so sorry. In as much as
life coach is Vusi. Vusi is a motivational
Is he a life coach? I don't think so.
What's the difference?
Motivational speaker, I can motivate you guys to start a podcast. I can motivate you to do this and this. But with a life coach, do you think it's feasible for me or indeed to be a life coach at this age that you see me at now? That was the guys which work on that. When I quit, then was another zimbingano attitude Jane. Okay, and then now was this Chavan and two.
I don't believe in them personally.
But then people are actually paying millions to go and see life coaches. Have you seen
It's
that?
because they have the money. I think.
Because like it's proper.
I do listen sometimes, but I'm like, because I don't believe what worked for you is gonna work for me. It doesn't work like that.
Yeah.
Do you get it? You don't need to believe I got the star sign. You're like,
what's the star sign again?
I'm a Libra, but why does it matter?
What?
Libra. But guys,
what does it do?
Guys, no. I don't know. October 9 October does it mean Roterina Swiri. Roterina attitude. What if your parents were kinder to you and you don't have that attitude, but I do?
But the Shimisala Zoro, una into trait in an awanayo.
You don't know me.
And
if you read all those things,
what if Valamunari will us scream into the treaty? We already start signing as Aquarius,
that's the problem. But the more you are home, the more you are hungry. You're not busy. It has nothing to do with your star sign.
Did you get fat this year? Speaking of that, Nola.
Yeah, I grew.
Everyone is getting fat, eh?
Would you feel growth when they love it? You're quite a
Who's gotten fat here? I never got guys, Nando Quatas or Commando Divona. Into him such under eh?
Hey, didn't never be.
Nah. It's like all I'm to Canadian dividing on go quarter blind.
Kubio?
Are. It's a macat.
Oh, are gainer.
Other gainer, gainer, like Acha Fichonesian. I just fit.
Divone.
Choyo Gumaga January.
Divone.
Bogaina.
Yeah,
so long as but then
I feel like I also gained a lot of weight.
What do you think of Mpo? Guys, when are the Mpo? Maginya, the killer second.
Maginya
that Endoria, Iabudaya. I love Mutu. I don't know Maggie.
Into my relax, I do relax. I still fine.
Hey, I bore into no stress. Yeah, Nitoni line.
Maranda Maginya go gain. Oh, gain Amponya. Marampo has always been like this, though.
No, Mpo was never like this.
No, since I met him. I don't know about you guys. I don't come this year.
Okay.
Or he's been like this since 2023.
People are getting fat, man. Mukona, what do you think of Mukona?
It's your gainage. Yeah, she really gained. I don't know what you guys are eating in Cape Town. But yeah, whatever is big, guys, the ice cream, I don't know. But yeah, okay, jealous down. I'm telling you the truth, you asked, Mus.
No, Hanan.
I think I gained a lot. I don't know why.
Oh, ni azoni if the when sound no kwata kanjiti ndo enda kuzamutu uri nisi yakono sizafi hela anichakono nori mukolo wa hana cause hapo ndo umbodituma na hapa
ni vanondo vamunga fani mukolo chaya muraho
kugotenda mpo jamora chari
achari karembulu ndiwa
angasisezi la camera iri muraho
mboka sedza ai zvipiri
it's a process this is yakonda so like yeah guys what is one thing chine I think Ramang was on the last episode of the diaries that we're doing in studio. So I was like, what did you learn this year? And what's one thing that you were like, so now I want to ask you, in this page, you were like, 2025. Hey, this was one thing that stood out for me from January to like the 27th of December.
Like one thing that stood out.
So you're like, hey, this is wrong.
I don't really have one. Like it was ups and downs. I had my highs, I had my lows.
Which ones were your lowest?
I don't know. It was just mental. It was just emotional. But you can't explain it. You can't put a finger on it. You know, there are days where you wake up and you feel like you don't want to wake up. Not in a suicidal way, but there are days where you wake up and you don't want to do today. Sometimes you don't know the reason. Huh?
Have you ever had the thought you're...
Yeah, suicide. Funny enough, I haven't. And for the things I've been through, I feel like I should have. But I don't know. I've never. I think...
If you die,
it's because
you
of how
expect
good...
me to go and talk.
Please.
And I have a lot to say about you. Not on the chief.
Instagram.
Oh, speaking of the highs now, I just realized Lino Tomo poster, Nico Antonari poster, the Guroi entity.
Yeah, me.
And did I just say the Guroi?
Can you what was the cherry Dechkeva? What do you want me to
go?
Let me not say, in case Bongobono, but listen.
Which one is the
and
West?
The core thing,
the West school in Venda.
Zagoro is Zenaita, strong as Jemakat White. No one I didn't post my car. Any post this side.
No, you know why I posted? What if you supposed to post and it's a cheat? I was like, ooh, okay, nice. No, me and no post now.
Hey, now what? Why my baby was so? Like, I don't get it. You could Ninga not Zumba, but you are of the body. Whoever was a neighbor, how you interview? Why?
No,
because okay, why? Zvemiri chirenga Benz idoro yana billboard.
Oh, is that your plan now?
Print out na mabambiri. Number dreads.
Ngorenga Benz no.
Ini ngorenga.
Benz. I'm buying.
Or a
it.
BM. What would you go for, a Beamer or a Benz?
I love a Benz. Hey,
but I also love a BM.
No, I don't love a BM. It was the BM is cheap.
Really? It's cheaper?
No, relative to the Benz.
Okay.
Because I feel like if you're a guy in a BM also, it's giving...
Don't lie.
Trust me. Okay, you BM.
Guys, have you seen an M4? Come on. X4M competition. Guys, come on.
Mizo, they know Uri.
Mutukadu amorozo no ndichendo fara ya polo. Alicho tikeredza ngogoroi. There's no way. It's not a gay car. Ambani urichere diake koshka polo. Okay, ari nchiwe nayo mngani. Let's pause it. Let's come back next year no ifara. Chered. Rekono ambani ifara yo no renga BM.
Next year no renga BM and it go
yeah, I get it.
Not ngori ndiko ifuna ngori it's cheaper than the Benz.
Which is okay. But ngori gay.
No, the car is gay.
Okay, what's not?
I wanna know imisawa.
Pakushona ngori nonoamba.
Maroni nisi ndo define that you're okay at gay.
Okay, what car is not gay? What car is not gay?
You can never go wrong with any Benz.
That's the thing, guys.
And S-Class, that's not gay. Baki is not gay. And also mara, you never gay.
You know what I think? Uri in uri. Nichipona BM and you imagine a woman in it. The thing is, women look good in every car, guys. Have you seen us in a Baki, guys? We look good in every single car. It doesn't mean the car is gay. Okay, yeah, the Picanto is gay.
The Picanto is gay, right? So
because of how tiny it is. Making sense. Even the way it's made inside is feminine.
Really?
But a BM is not gay, guys. Even if it's a 135 or a 1 whatever, it's not gay.
It depends on the type. Or in the BM also.
Na ini boninga stiya na torenga ya blue. Yeah, ela yo funga. Like, come on. Because what do you mean you bought a blue car?
I know someone who drives a BM, Mara, it's fine.
Gay.
Nah. Listen, so yeah, man. Also, what's missing? What's one thing that you were like, let's talk about this thing before it's over?
We have a prep. We have it. No, I'm going to know.
No, I wrote it, Mara. I think they're better. Oh, I think I wanted to speak about competition. Okay, it's one thing. I know when a competition, that's when people do better.
Competition, I mean?
In anything, any industry, it doesn't matter where. So recently, they've introduced, if you mean this bus line in a operator, intercity. Remember city to city used to be intercity. Yeah, no Venda. Venda.
Okay,
you don't know where Venda. So what happens is that city to city, I don't even took a job back. It's a then go to city to city for the fancy thing. And those people in my varsity days, when I never got a slack, I have basi go to 8, basi adanga 10. That's like 2 hours late. You know what that means. Also, you have to go 8 for basi go to 4. So the whole thing you're filming. Intercity now, and then that deal and traffic. I think around 11. I passed intercities no 4, if not 3. I was like, this is the quality that we've always need. Because city to city, buses are cool. Cape Town, we are the Ben, okay, your neighbors will not receive Venda. So now they're like, okay, now we have competition.
So Shuma from Joburg to Venda. Oh, nice.
So I feel like I feel like city to city. Of which I don't think they will.
Ini would you? Oh, ini marni alifuna bus.
I love.
No, linda mera zuzino. This year no na mera bus. Oh no, this year na nagori last year.
Don't na mera go bus last year.
No, Paul, standing busy ni watu.
Ne.
Heaven.
Oh.
Unachuma china byanga bus niko bana na chibugu nyana.
That was not last year.
Niko zamu ita ku content yana ngabu.
That's content.
Ningalibara ini bus liko ita so. Don't lie. Don't lie. You were not reading.
So ndiko bala.
Need to content create. It's a safe space.
Am I a content creator?
You are. You need an account on Benz TikTok. Yamshumo na yano yamse niko tamba na atakuona irani. You are a content creator. Niko kuvura voti deliver. You are a content creator.
Inzoro ni barrier na ini.
But I'm saying you are one.
Yeah, I'm trying. Unyago wana zichele dengandra yote.
Do you think TikTok is Lisa though?
In terms of what?
Content creation.
I think I could Lisa, but it gives you the numbers.
It gives you the numbers,
so
and
you need to convert those numbers to whatever you think you can do. Say you have TikTok now, and then after that you're like, okay, so I didn't. When was the night so? Wait a minute.
The only time I think you can make money at TikTok, asimus you know the brand that want to work with you.
Yes, which is what I mean.
Unlike Facebook, who you get money from interactions, engagements, and whatever. So I think what called issue is a Facebook page then.
No, TikTok is for growth. The brand is there check out TikTok because people do watch that. And then also with Facebook, it's just like monetization in the equator. But with TikTok, you go there charity. You watch people go to charity apanga Facebook. But people are eating, man.
Na chedza waitaka Facebook.
Chedza what I mean?
What jive?
Do you think chedza angava mtu wa watu wafima zile housewives?
Yeah, chedza would win. Udo was serious. Anga win na chedza.
Ndichibedi? Ndichibedi.
Ndichisithi girl. She would do well.
Would you also?
As a real housewife, if I had the money, I would do it. You know why I love those things, ne? Even if you have the money now, even if this Nanji, I would join. Because the minute you are up there, because then I'm always starting stuff, like I'm always trying to sell something. The minute you're out there, people buy because you are Uapfa from Real Housewives, not because, yeah. So, guys, are you
guys buying the hair? Ngori Uapfa ndo Black Couch.
Black Couch. Chituna subscriber until you renga. So, I Real Housewives, I'll get.
I
would even rent a house to go in there.
Really?
I would, because it's for my own business. How? If I'm going to make money out of it, why not do it?
As long as it's not badera, you know, rent your food.
That's what I'm saying. If I'm going to convert hela fame into money, I don't see a need yosajita. Because the truth is, unless you're going to use someone else as a friend. If you want to sell, you need to go where the people are. You need to interact. Even though you don't
also,
want to.
This thing, do you think there are brands that they do well, sharp, just because whatever they look at, if you mean, because I'm a brand in a barrier or a promoter, promote your cheat. Okay, let's just take, if you mean, a major league. Where do Misa?
Live here.
If you need a major league.
Oh,
Galaxy Boy.
Oh, Galaxy.
Yeah, so look at that brand. Like we didn't know Uri India most of the time. Major league. India ufinyula munana. I don't know his name. Mara is well known.
Oh.
Social media all over. Like
really?
He's doing good. Yeah, you don't know the guy. Mara people are wearing that thing. Mara we've gotten to a point in Nerari. Rather those hey brand India inni. People are like, nah, udopfuma. Then we like,
people do that. Why do people do that?
It doesn't make sense, bro. Like, at least, Brandy, I'm telling them, Diva, you can buy from them.
I was going to inform me, I guess. Can afford DTs.
It doesn't
I think just bringing each other down. Yeah. That's why, like, most of your supporters are not going to come from your local, your village, basically.
You're not from the village, at least.
Huh?
You are not from the village at least, so you're right.
And if you're fan, what do you have? What do we have that you guys don't have? Apart from the street lights.
What else do we have?
Okay, civic, so it's basically the same. So civic is
Civic ini samsanda. Like exactly. Ni PA samsanda. Mara you never
I guess.
So
I guess.
Anything before go to the questions that we got. What's left?
Your prep is very long, eh?
It's not that long. There's a question, eh? Oh, the muti thing. Oh, so I wanted to ask, and I think
friendships 2025 in general life coaches.
Yeah, I think people should I'm going on a second-hand cars. Also, I saw this other girl, Akorenga Val. And then the bow ties, the VC white, all those things are nice. And then after that, I'm sure maybe some people have seen the video. I share a muti, plus we protect goloi na
Kobe
mini.
yawo zonto ngawo like kobe yiwa.
Impepo, it's impepo.
Oh, she's
Sunanga zozvila. So do you think laso zviya affect the next buyer? Because okay, ininorenga goloi nachera mushonga na mino rinikoitsereredza kana zvizvo zvina kuita zvavatu vahamu and then naituiza nisiyafuna nayana renga imwe. So nendikodorenga goloi inena kuishumisa.
I think zviyasara though zvidega.
Yo.
Think about it. I think zviyasara.
So second hand cars are not a good
Nduma
option.
irenga naisa kuvafunzi. Vati vachirambira uko joy uko jena. You know?
No.
No chance. Jamburi guri ichirengo itoizwa
Because that's what everyone was fighting about. Okay, because we want to consider good na mini. Mara nesa next buy. Atina chere dati afford. I'm going to need the second hand car.
Yeah.
No share zwa.
And also, you cannot blame her for doing that because that's what she believes in. The same way you took yours to a pastor, ene oshera jina kwa shera. Ndizo nzomwa rusawo. She feels like she is where she is because of that. So we cannot now belittle other people's beliefs.
Yeah, ni rabelidwa.
Yeah. Uvula na bonnet.
Uvula pocket and bonnet. Bafunzi. Ukwachekwa suzune ya wai na wanya
jena ba reverse. Never do it.
Kwa ba reverse.
Never do ba show off. Isa pada ba just for vibes. But I think when you buy yours, take it to wherever you believe. Whatever you believe in, vai fare and then if whatever you believe in is as strong as you think. Personally, I think prayer can wipe off.
Yeah, so like do you think as long as in a believer on
yeah.
But it's got to
valid.
Do you listen to the prayer?
Did I listen to the prayer? Yeah, I did.
What do you mean? Niyo for wamba maifimati
protect her. Like, you know,
no, maratiba dembore, iko there gaina gabamba.
Iko domo istafetu amini zezila, ndiponga ziyafana.
Kari baba.
Itonga tabro like
baba gore ya Uapfa ke, nuke kumeza.
Ha, abangombeso.
Abangombeso.
Zababa me.
Jamburi ne, maratabela zifana.
No, what's the
Venda?
No, mine was English. Jamba
was the
type of auto available to rabbi chku. Venda.
Oh,
ini ando popona guerra, but no. Chivenda. Na yo ndia chivenda, riko ndio chivenda. So, abala popona D and okay English. That's switch. But anyway, yeah.
Yeah, so urabera good mean guys.
You said we need to talk about when you just wrote friendships. I don't know what it meant.
Oh, like friendships is more like I think I was also I saw this other time in the poster. Where was it? In ya poster na angwati. In nishito kambiwa nichinje password ya phone.
Why are we talking about that una baby?
No, ndukamba like no kamba ngamia mketwa.
Oh yeah.
All those things. You get what I mean? So songa ndio chinja password or songa ya umbula first.
Okay, ndo post dormini. Remind me.
Nothing like kamuzori nendo no I think you commented on a video ka TikTok. Na nendo lona mangana bararu this year ti na mina. So I was like ndakuzombulo zori una bathu bane with friendships it's all nice and all that. Say nendina mporari that guy Mutere like ndibangana banga varsity level because we're there together. And then all of a sudden say Mutere becomes someone big. And then kana mpaba this other person and never big. And I'm like, hey, bana, you know, never allowed to watch one see vampira. Natumo bana vengo. Do you think there's that thing a lot, Kawangana? Maybe Kavas done.
I think we do have it, not just Kawangana, in people in general.
I'm going to ask you something, Shine. Did you fight with any friend this year?
Yeah, a couple of them.
What happened?
It wasn't like fighting. It was just okay. In most of my friendship breakups, it wasn't uri umutu ongita mini. Usually, but what mini. Or your boyfriend or whatever, we would never have that. It was basically just a character flaw, you know? When you grow up and you realize, you know, we're at an age where I can stop being your friend because you don't speak to the waiters properly. That's enough reason.
That's a good thing, yeah.
Because I'm growing up with you, I'm taking you to above 30. Like, I need to go so that things can end. I can stop being friends with you because you're not nice to other people, and that's enough. So I think with me, most of them were just character flaws. Because I love the people so much, and I felt like, oh, it's bad. We can just sweep this under the carpet. But then unfortunately, it gets to a point where it needs to end. Because you know, you're about to be my child's aunt or uncle at some point. And if Nina Yo, I don't want to say this, but if
Say
you
it.
like, no, because I don't want it to get to the people that I'm talking about.
Aswisvike.
No. We don't talk
Achifita,
about it
achikuwe.
in that like that, huh?
Achinda chafite.
No. Ini bantu nsambi.
Bangana.
Ine ngolwana bantu.
No, I've never fought with a friend.
Chamba taidzo ndini vakutokondera ini.
No, abakondereisha. I'm like, it's a ready kupumula resiyambe ngwawote.
Also-
Ramba nga December.
Also, it takes time. Like, I don't think friendship breakups is easy because I'm not going to stop being your friend because because I believe that I'm also not perfect. I feel like I mess up a lot. It's just that I'm not perfect, you know. But then if it gets to a point where I don't want to be with you anymore, then I know it was bad.
Don't you feel like you also just have a lot of friends?
I do.
Yeah. And also, how do you differentiate? Okay, I know this person and then this is my friend. Because there's also that.
I do have them. I don't have to come to you in the but we are cordial, you know. If you need something from me and I can provide at that time, I'm going to provide for you. Whether I know you or you're just a friend, I don't think I'm going to help you. So, yeah. And with me, it's not about how long we've known each other.
Yeah.
We can be very close friends last year.
Yeah.
Because it makes sense at that point. And if it doesn't work out next year, sharp. People come in your life for different reasons.
Is that how you move on in relationships?
Yeah, valid.
Must be that fast. See? I was saying when it's handam, or rich like you want to can eat tani. So cool. Uma 2 days.
2 years.
Is it true when you replace her before we know?
I don't know. Do we move on before we leave or? You see, it's not just
before.
me. Kola or tender or before.
Who else?
Hola wena jenana.
Wenda jenana.
Hola we rindanare. Nuna snepecha ini primary or something.
Ne.
No rofo duwa.
Asiye ini azipa.
Hola. Asola. What's kipecha brown?
What's kipecha brown dimpe?
Hapa this table straight up. Up. It's on a bedroom. I said
straight up and the beauty. So. No, I didn't Makhadzi wa mshalo wanga.
Oh. Mara uko tenda, we move on before we leave. Wewe ni ziti?
Na tia kwamba kesho tunazidiba.
Na yona dzulesa panda hoyo. Na yemkono dzulesa panda, azozula mrao yana.
Ufuna sangoda. Now, I nothing wrong with Pinduroyo.
Okay, Mara, let's be honest.
Some things can explain after.
No, tell me, relationship before. Do you move on before you leave? Do you detach before you leave? I know what Ramon. Why are you so scared, bro? Why don't you? Okay, why Mara not you whining?
Very no processor. Do I?
Very didn't processor ini. Hey.
I don't know, man.
GBV, purple hearts.
I don't move on.
Justice
imagine damage as could date. I don't move on. No, I don't move on. It's fine.
No, I think we all do. It's just that you don't want to admit.
Yeah, most probably. But never in the cheat.
Yeah. You guys know it, right? Remember the fat and said. Asichabuya achipozodzura kawashi ushkera una muliro azokore arikaupa ngoli wedanda izvimuliro kopera asikoyo kubuya kaini
ngabo 8 ngechishwinga vamwana onyotuwa
yes ene ari arurengedza petu kodipa you get it. So I feel like everybody does.
Sorry to man. Why don't you talk about your sip and paint?
Who's that?
The other lady. Where are you Mizo ma? Uvini Obaka Obika.
Oh, Obabiz. She was working.
Come on, Zumiriwa. Kopenya Uapfa.
Why?
Why not run? Nachi funa na marama.
Rufun run guy. Oba kushuma. Tell him what's business next day. What's the problem? I confess this. Issue guy. She was working.
She's never worked in Nazuto Jano.
How? I also work when she's working. Anyway, every time I go ring Sajiliwa, Kazi gig in I'm not always there. Roterezi entrepreneur.
Nan kama ngani then ga status.
I'm not going to tell you who it is. I'm not going to tell you.
Ndombudza mara after ti.
No,
Guys, this is the last live show ever. Acha the ndamba.
No, namsisi live ni ndo ambara shoot.
Mara baba si at least ringa the beeper after.
I'll tell you after, but it's not a big deal, guys. I don't have friends when they're
serious.
We never fight about serious things. Like what I said. Realize okay, you are like this, and I don't want to have this person in my life in the next whatever season. And that's it. It's not a big deal.
It's fine. I've ended my prep. Let's go. No, is unkata cause like I feel like atituambesa na mtu dapo inaenda for real to attached abana suzunera supposed to.
So you don't have friends that you talk to every day?
Every day. Aye.
Oh, ngori namsadzi that's why.
Uzambona ini natsona nopumulesa last year. Ni munna.
Ndandopumula gaini.
Ndipindula video call.
But you would always call me video yo.
No, there's that guy with video call, man.
And I don't want to continue with this. Janani got the question. Yo.
I think ne.
No, like
man. As what the rofunze yao. If you go for imbuso, I could Anthony Veni kai.
It's the questions they are dedicated to you, ne?
No.
I read you guys or
just read, we'll see. But what they decide to you never know. Maybe you are like,
okay, question number 1. You have this vibe like you don't even realize how interesting you are. Like you just exist and everyone else is trying to figure out what your secret is.
That's Uapfa, right?
How?
First.
Slow. You have this vibe.
Who has a vibe?
Like
Uapfa.
You don't even realize how interesting you are. Like you just exist and everyone else is trying to figure out what your secret is.
That's you. That's Uapfa, right?
What's the difference?
Both of us. No, we defend the question.
Huh?
No la. Kudos kanda badira 40 randa. Ndaba una rindinyo sendo ojpi. Let's go to the next one.
Second one. So that one is not a question. It's just a compliment.
Yeah, sort of like.
We just take it as it is. Remember when we used to be close in middle school? Now you are thriving and everyone loves you, but I bet you don't even remember me anymore.
Like how is guys? Ndione genge yolama kwande bakwamba ngene genge unechandama. Like bakwamba ngene genge unechandama yolama kwanda. Like ilambuse kwa kai.
Okay, read say hani zvino baba. And it's an anonymous thing, so how are we supposed to know? And you're like, I bet you don't remember me. Who? What do you remember something or that is what's in any class or something?
Yeah.
Okay, next question. Who do you have a crush on?
Okay, that's for both. So you don't makai ngorno faraful.
Atina. I don't. Why? I don't do that.
Yeah, there's a crush on the which my radio.
I just said he looks his mother. It's not.
You're like.
I would never.
No, but you're like.
Okay, so crush in the meaning, is it not a person you feel like you would date?
Yeah.
I wouldn't date him.
Why?
No, I wouldn't date him. Not even.
Not
today, not next year, not ever.
Wait, do you think the moment in Chivana crashed, you're literally telling your partner or in that of an access in a home to, I'm gone? Is that what it means?
I think that's what it should mean.
Oh.
Don't you think?
Somebody net in a crash.
Ninayo, ambango. Okay, it can be an artist. There's no the artist ninayo. Can't what do more there's one ninayo.
No, Atina.
I'm gonna actually put this a phone. As again.
Atina crash, eh?
Okay. No more focus jipa, ne? It's fine. Who was jipa?
I've been in and then goes more mini. But
okay, here's another one. You have that thing where even when you are just talking normally, it feels like flirting. But you probably don't even realize it.
I think that's you.
Oh, I'm not a flirt.
Don't remember na you flirt, honey. Like, I'm welcoming.
What is a flirt?
I'm just welcoming, man. I'm a soft boy.
So you just compliment everyone and then they think you're flirting? You don't?
Have I ever complimented anyone here? No.
Imisan Chanda, guys. Hope you're not here. Jamandinda. Anyways. Do you ever just leave friends on
Nah, I think
unopened? Yeah, Miss Coffee. Why?
you want to miss coffee in Dargate?
Why? Open? Do I ever leave friends unopened? What's that? Uri, red,
That
DM.
was the blue tick, probably.
Yeah, I do. Why not?
Everyone does that. Is it wrong? Unless you got the cherry young and then you turn to Kanichi for the
What's your favorite song? It you currently, because I feel like you have a favorite song.
I think
for every-
currently the song which you post, man, people whenever on Instagram or WhatsApp, they would know if Minila. I don't mean Mazanga, Rimbo, Rufuna, or Amamela. Shela, yeah. That's a nice song. Yo.
It's a beautiful song.
Which one is yours?
Currently, it's Uyadlala.
Which one is your girl?
Lilwa.
Rimbe Nanimbaranga.
Eish. Konoimba.
Imbani.
Ndikuzonda ngwa chorus.
Okay, Imbani verse.
Rufi Uyadlala by Eish Koru guys. Benny Maverick. Baduru techeres. It's a break. What would the Bene? Aye.
So got endati.
Suzone.
Yeah.
So favorite song Rokopira. Do you have someone special?
Do you have someone special?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
Do you? Who's that one? Special person.
Umianga never.
Whoa, Ofi. Someone special. They mean
someone
just one person. Ndinyi.
Ndimratwa.
That was so fast. Who your video caller special?
Like a special, like a disability or special child. Or
Also, why have a lot of philosophy? Guys, I don't mean any harm, the charm. Why a lot of the special people?
Is it not because they have special needs?
It's wrong though.
No, for example, arele uko pati wa ningo pata petu hogonyanta. Now we are not at the slope kana at the lift because of them. That's a special, right?
Yeah.
So you need to cater for them.
Also, if someone were important at the petu, I thought, oh, he's very special.
Let's move on. It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah.
Next question. You know me too well at this point. I can't even lie to you anymore because you catch it even before I finish the sentence. This one wish.
But the kitchen is the tense name. But what openga makwanda niko doborosa makwanda.
Okay, next. I don't even know you like that anymore, but I can tell you became the type of person you always wanted to be. That's actually kind of inspiring.
That's probably me.
Have you always wanted to be a podcaster?
Never, eh?
So,
like back in 2022, I don't think I would have done this thing.
So why not go for it's actually you?
No, I feel like any of you wanted to be one since then.
No,
Mari,
not
you've always wanted to be on radio.
podcasting, but media. Not podcasting.
When are you going to radio, man?
I'm not getting the radio that I want.
You're on radio.
Ipio.
Para choice.
Why
not?
Because
Nah, I don't think those.
they do. Need to have Venda straight up. Like
Radio.
Fumimbiri, Chivenda.
Oh, yeah, Miss P.
You get it. Miss P we are clean. So you go to the practice.
I think I know my crush.
And also, I don't think I do well on the script. But I don't know if I read. You have a crush? The Miss P.
No.
And the Miss P.
No, that was a mombola.
And the way I'm going, it's not too far. So basically,
do people have types? In a typing. Okay, your type is cash.
In your type is money. Okay, currently mukono over kuita shuza fumi sina do para Exactly. So your type is money, you just haven't landed on it. So you are patiently waiting.
Next one.
The difference is Nandia Yonoshika. That's the difference between you and I.
Oh yeah. I feel like in the
Exactly. You're waiting for her money. Mukona be careful, way. Gold diggers are shushuru. The last one says, I like you, but I'm too scared. That goes for everyone, guys. Everybody's scared.
Can't look your phone. Hey.
Everybody. What you could look
So yeah, guys, those are the questions that we had. What was on the angel. When I'm trying to have a question like on the floor, I mean, the same time. I'm Zoroni says, I repeat it to Rini. Okay. Yeah,
what do you want to want? Bakodopa.
Bakopa. I'm to know copa. Do you know copa? Pinky? No question. No, but this is a song of Fancy Shona.
What's that?
Written before next daka questions available. And also we have a giveaway. It's like the 1,000 is there a pub katangwa. We still have those ones. So yeah, you never know. Maybe now with this, so it's also a giveaway to you. So they don't need it. I'll just take it.
Guys, what's that anyway? Okay, but you want to go to
Yeah.
Is yeah.
Our last question,
no questions. Oh, there's a question back there.
Why only our question, Mara? Let's start there.
Put up one mic or.
Attack when you remove it. Auna, hey, Maginho Bomber and Nancy.
There is a Magin. There is a Magin.
As a little yeah, and go move for Anga descended. Wait, no gundo.
That's a woman.
Yes, I have a question. Kingsley. On screen, Kingsley.
Stage name.
Okay. Okay. That's a question also. Do you
know what it's giving? Yeah, Gundo. Why do you love me? So you're basically saying the things you like about me. Why me?
Okay, so here's the thing. So when I started the podcast, it was going to be that thing on Venda. Okay, that's the only. I was like, we can do something better in terms of this and that. And then, so I was like, as the guests, they're thriving. But then with the guests, Zonzo, such things. So I'm like, so I was like, let's just get someone, they're not scared, and then also discuss anything. Okay, in as much as people think the Black Couch Diaries in so yeah, that's one thing. I was like, let's just get someone a network. In as much as that's the network in the segment in between the shows. I was like, who is the better person that I can get? And I'm like, the thing I'm mention yeah, the farmer. Okay, so that's going to take no, and to pay time.
Give me a clue then.
The new after show, on the next one, it's fine.
Really?
So he was like, let's do something. When you go the Daramba, I was like, okay, that thing from the idea. I assume somewhere. That's what I actually did to him. I'm sure that's why he hates me. So I was like, nah.
Oh, not him.
So I was like, okay, high school. So the other two were babbling, all this. I was like, yeah, let's give it a try because he's also around Joburg. Then I got someone and yeah, people love a lot, hey? So people really love you. Do you know that people love you? Yeah, so that's how it all came about. Look at you.
Thank you.
So yeah, that's how we got to have the diaries now. And then yeah, it's been a good one. But church, episodes 57, and yeah, they've been smooth. All those things. But then yeah, we've been pushing. So yeah, serious, man. Yeah, Uapfa.
Yeah, no.
Nibu say Uapfa bang. How would I like to inspire the young people? That's the question. My aim, when we start in this whole thing, we're going to bring guests from different industries. I've brought you people from
different
departments, like your artists,
business.
But towards marriage, OnlyFans, you never to. I don't know why people were dragging the comments. Hey, why towards OnlyFans? Mara, the views are saying something else.
Yeah.
Like, oh, the Kobon and this person come say, Mara, no one. Such things. So I was like, in as much as Rikoshira petune, nendo wana disadvantage ori when I went to vets, maybe one point they would know, they would relate. There's a school, MIA, so it's like specifically school mechanical, industrial, na aeronautical. Nendo apply kachikolo GT. So there's a chance you're not apply KT. Ningaka diaka chingona chingoni wangom. So already ndo dilera chance you're ndachinga bantu apply ka medicine, kana pharmacy, which is what I wanted to do also on the side. I was like, sunonga zvezvi. Muntu asina knowledge yori zvukuitisa hani ndana mini. Zviadina zvisara chikusvika ngepano because I only learned about industrial. You're right, so it has so, which is what you wanted to do. Maranos go through the mechanical route. If I error already, such things. So I was like, okay, if I did some go artist, and there are people who really want to make money from what they see on TV. When I'm trying to go on a Fistos, shout out to Fistos, I always give credit to him, like all the time. Risky. I was like, I don't even know.
Nandoni phone number.
And ndingopanga ini inizoni kozviamba and ndingopanga ini
ndikumbura ndichinisendera but it's fine
atizondoita mini ngazi mara tingodziteksera nichimukai. Yeah, so I was like, we're just going to inspire young people to show you in different paths you can make a living. You've seen the DJs zineza kuita chelede nga muzika unati vana kuita chelede nga profession dzavo dzine vodzijena chikoro vamwe vati vakuzviita ngomwara dzibhugu all those things. So I think my ndinyula nokotataisa nebindiyashona mtu. Yeah, but then the whole aim was that as long as when I was doing kuzifuna nabona mwe mtu achikozviita namuona dzaka black out and with story zotomisa hani who would have known uri ndinganya kuita mochari. Now I'm just kidding, guys. So yeah, something like that. So yeah, that's how we got about this podcast. No, really inspire us. And I always say that car description we're trying to inspire people. Know the because of the guests that we bring. So yeah, that's what happens. Yeah, when 2026.
Somewhere in Jan.
It's over.
Okay.
You go to mom pass the time step. It's over. So yeah. I hope I answered your question. Ni happy. Not Jana guys call. It's important, you know that question when I did for him. Horse call, you see? I knew it. Horse call. From last school to horse call.
No, you have accent.
Yeah, so is there another question?
Maybe. Afrikaans class.
When I have a question, there's
another one.
Yeah. Mizo Phyll.
Babu zeningo na musi, we're on live show. Asongo tenda chi, aba kozvipa ndonibuza uri kozvipa. Babu zeningo.
Why don't you answer it?
No. Okay, mo interview ndinyi.
Oh, okay. Wait, ndi Pascal. Nerimini.
Ndikhona,
anofana. So here's the thing, T. So here's what happens with the guest, T. We're going to approach a guest, T. And then we respect that. We're like, okay, we're not gonna. So the question because we don't have a mic. The question was like, why start to interview Mizo Phyll? So I think
guys,
yeah, so I think we invited Mizo Phyll when we're still starting. So I respected him. Mizo Phyll is great. I know that, and we all know that. So I was like, okay, let me give him time. And I need to grow. The same way I told you, I'm going to invite Makhadzi in a level in Rabaka. Like, at least Karim will respect you to that point. I did that with Mizo Phyll. And then I think Raka the shooter, when Peter went Mazeng on the background, for people that know, they probably know it. It was like, hey, Mazeng. It's like, okay, it's cool, we'll do that.
Who said that? Mizo
Phyll.
Okay.
Now, when go here, and I took it as yeah, it makes sense, it's him.
Yeah.
And then this other time, we are Venda. I was like, we come into Venda. So Rangashita, Petrunga Cafe was like, yeah, I'm game. And then I don't know, over busy. Okay, this I'm over busy. I understood that. And then now, what my problem? I don't know, okay, so you've invited a guest. People always say, Nandi is a guest. And then you know that, I say what I like about them. Okay, you know that, no, it was nice. Mara, after that, if you
mess up, if you trend,
if you mess up and you trend for the wrong reasons, we're gonna talk about that. See, I think Ramba something as well. So I think it was that thing at Royal, and then at Mokwata. Okay, get it, it's fine. And then fast forward, we did that thing. Me and Fiona. It was a good one. Then connect and Mizo Phyll. This is where things starts connecting now. She was like, no, she's my friend. Please help her out. I was like, no, this is a good cause. I think about Banji need to say about much. I was like, yeah, let's do it. Then I told my Mizo Phyll for the longest. Okay. And then okay, it's fine. Richie Feds, I'm like, okay, we've done that. Zuko Shuma, right? So I'm like, in Mizo Phyll, can we get Mizo Phyll also on the podcast? Abastia Pindura. Okay, get it. Tukwat. And then I'm like, let me give them a call. I think it was somewhere this year. March. I think it was the same thing you it gets there some point. Because okay, let's do it. I mean, she's like, no, I've been to no, I'm going to interview Mizo. Oh, Mizo on the phone. No, I'm trying to know phone Mizo. I'm one straight. Auna. Cash, Auna. No, okay, never mind. But people always say, phone for head office.
Come to the manager.
Most probably. I don't know what Bucks is then, if that's the case. Yeah. So I turned, I'm phone Mizo, and then Mizo. This is alright, I mean, ndakuwa number phone, I think it's a Mizo. Okay, ndine ndiko phone ini, ndarunya kwamba na mtu wanu, nampa number phone. Ndafoni zila number phone, afara ini. Okay. Ndarukamla mana Mizo, nyako mu interview, reshoote na mina misho, this is very nice. Run man studio, we have Panda, they're giving us quality. There's no Mizo, they don't know, after the zengile abuli nati.
Yeah.
Proper. I feel no, shela shujinga say it, and I mean. And then, it's fine, Rapira, atungo kwata, nda interview a Fizzy. I think I interviewed 2 artists. Wakwamba album yatakazi. Jambori ngori Mizo anoda ndikodori album yatakazi urusongo findo kwata. Zambarera ngori ndi mutu nan. That okay, album yatakazi and then all that. And then Fizzy at the ambari. I mean, no, album yotangana, there's a mix of songs. I mean. I was like, oh, I actually agree. And the album famaga wachi post taka WhatsApp. Remember the neck WhatsApp ore. Hey, ela podcast of the thing as chimbire usonga mbwa ngadzina lash.
Yeah, they once said
screenshot and rifazuri apa zvino okanda isiona. Awu ikanda mchira. And atoma. Nabo nana musi mara nice ati timtwa the garage guys. So I think the whole reason Mizo asa to daka the podcast and I think acha the doba add at this point because in as much as ra grow one I mean but ngomtoda membo the daka imwe segment ka Black Couch. And hopefully, the corrupter. There's always that. Corrupter.
So in conclusion, I don't think Udo that he, but you know, it's okay.
Yeah, he's done good songs.
You guys know how he moves. So I don't think he's gonna come.
How does he move?
Paton ditch. Paton ditch.
Yeah, Mizo.
Like if he doesn't wanna come, he's not gonna come.
So what I'm trying to say with all these things is that like let's just respect each other's craft.
Yeah.
I mean, like I mean it's so wrong. Okay, but just that as you make sense or need disrespect. We're not going to disrespect how. I don't hold grudges. You don't go out there and tomorrow so I feel like ataka and my craft and what I'm doing.
As a brand.
Yeah.
And also getting to a point where you say hela podcasting it's a little bit too ambitious.
Yeah.
You know? I understand his Mizo is very big. But come on guys.
Here's the thing. I know a lot of people like nishimana watu banje bane babuka the artist why that the event like mafungane bambudza kaMizo ti ndarodhandeta
ndoamba chiti
ini mwangende yapenga ti but ndarodhanda mazvitori chiti ti wala mwana ngangoda nthana pasi why number zvila zvitu.
I've also heard a lot about him so namsi nichimphone yani chimbuzori opindura zvingasita I wasn't shocked.
Yeah,
I know how he moves and I'm not shocked. So guys, even if I see they're referred in, we'll get other artists, man. It's not a big deal.
There's so many artists.
There's more artists coming up, you know. There's Luna now. Yeah. He's doing so great. I saw his performance. Good, He's doing so good. There's more artists that are still to come. By next year, this time, in terms of rap. So
that's the thing. So yeah, that's the answer we have about Mizo Phyll. Any other question maybe before?
Who's satisfied?
Pascal, Nishapu. No question. Yeah, Ushap. Is there any other question? Can I revert the questions? Okay,
Going
so we're
once,
gonna close
going
it.
twice.
So we need for the giveaway. We're still gonna do a giveaway. And then 1,000 yeah, Martundwan. We should give it to you guys. No, ini am the nipa ion. So we need 3 people who are the 1,000 rand vouchers. Out of it, Oshuma, Ninga Dishimisana next year, like as voucher of expand, you want to chere de, don't worry about your Spar. So if you feel like you need a voucher, you can come forward there. We just have a few questions. They're easy. You just have to know the Black Couch or MR21 or any of the things in Rashmana Nazarene. So, yeah, 3 people. Why don't we have a voucher? Huh? Oh, voucher.
Equal one is one.
Yeah, Rengana tops. No, we're going to ask them questions. Just
So,
one
what could
question.
that
Because the thing is, now with this, you know. Now with this, you know, what could they go because obviously it's an easy thing.
Irenga Gaina, guys, Spar.
Spar.
Na
And
tops.
the tops in the Spar. Dani panda, yeah, tops in the Spar. Auna, yes, that better do it.
Regular,
Rudoila, so come as Nurdila. Huh? Huh?
No, ni voucher ya.
Ndeta zila zwa na wa univen. Vila zori komro baba dechera wa
Ndeta
package.
zila zwa NSFAS zo imam na ngoni abadela.
Ndeta zwa.
Ara ya cash.
Auna.
Guys, ani ngi want.
Auna.
What?
Huh? Why panda? Ningarota okay no imani hapo nya. No, never no kasha mimi nati. Richiko nibuzisa.
Uyo ga top so.
Achuzi rdela rote. Niko daini. No, watu bashiba okay marangati zibe zimbuso dani. Ati watu uko tomoda watu ashungori we one code and ringasi ilichi.
Niko ibona iwe chere iko yatanga yote. Odosaro rode mi yatanga.
Uapfa. Uapfa kaba.
Bashimogira zo shona rado vari kuresa. Guys, 1K.
Guys, easiest questions ever. Rina question itaru kabe vararo na dawi map niko nanga ntinti zabala wakotua. And when you notakwa nada anishapinde zila za mrao. Ndizo kudete.
Bashindidzi influencer okwengo bakantu
Apa ko vakazi camera sharp eh?
Bakwana.
Okay, so here's the first question. See? I don't think any of them are the one. No, ngote wananti kataru. Nishta wananti 1,000. 1,000.
Hey, we mesa.
Rodelesa. So, Dani ngeno panda.
Wabraro, ndinyo wabraro.
Asa ndio ni de panda. Don't worry, niko shaba zore.
Guys, call you more.
Nai mako mu mtudoni vizera.
Let's go.
Chico blushes sabaginya. Hey, daddy. Ni dead. Okay, so we're gonna maratoma same time. Not in such a no kupindra ini. MR21 you I mean like the acronyms now the whole thing MR21. Nukem such a number simple. Vewe nzongo chamba zo bala nuzura pasi. Nada niko dera zwimwe. MR21. Guys, what a response are next year banga the door bana it is to so say amba. Yo bala. What's the question mbili? Yo firela.
You mean arbuziwi? You know.
Okay, ndi ambe kana utoda mwe. Ana kufanga ndo ipindura kade. Kana kata kuwe. Wo Google banga si Google.
Oh, banga bono Google mara it's not fair. You're right.
Okay, and then the second one. Give us our top 3 episodes for 2025.
Top 3.
In terms of views. What am I mpo?
Ari.
Mpo.
Mpo pio.
Oh, mpo na mpo. Befu na niko fana we alicha maginya.
Uyo ari mubidze maginya urikona shimsanda.
Zantu za this year or a top episode taro. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Ndaba dau, okay.
Yo Toma.
Ovitaro. Yeah.
Oh, John.
Okay.
Nizone.
You want to give it a try? I don't know if I'm going to running a room at the end. Top 3. Yeah, Arife. Mpo 55 guys. Maropo zina asa tu bachifagi. Now I get why the name Chifagi. Yeah. Hey, nimdwana zina. Hey, subscriber.
Their only fans. Ngapanda ambor their only fans.
Yeah.
Buntumbu is okay.
Last one.
So otomanga ya mtumbu usatudai Gemini.
Chronicle order.
I'm going to order.
You want to give it a try? So bad. I'll show you watch it. I think Oyu Mudau. Maginya could watch it.
Aye, for real?
I think the top ones are the top three. This year we have OnlyFans, obviously.
She's the first one.
She's the top.
Opiraya Gemini.
Gemini was last year.
Oh.
No, it's fine. Listen, also, Gemini, in as much as our last year, he still has the views from this year, so you could have made it to that list. Mara, we have Mpo, and then Rabana Ntumbu, like he said. I don't know how he got that one. Don't know Mahangwa. And then Havana Msanda. So, Rikoi Pine, who you ambambidity? Hey, brother, on is a Sudakwa. Mpo. So, okay. Well, you're wrong, Mpoti. So the next one is gonna be umbrella T. Yes, an umbrella T. Under the umbrella we have Indian Chaita. One go. You know 2000.
No win. Oh, we know you.
No win. So we have.
You know how to do it.
Yeah, Abdul Pass.
Hey, I just said they were
Umbrella. We have MR21. We have Nandoni Riverview, which is where we are at. Ndipyo company ya brarine ikipase la umbrella. Is that easy? Kawe ya ini. Alumbi mini.
Wait a minute. One of my mayonnaise at 12. 12 your mayonnaise.
Okay, yeah, grocery kwa ashia wele. So yeah.
Yay!
No, so ngala. Una yepeze ne unyanya ko jeno nfo imwembuziso. Competition, nimjoin. Maginya chikurivenga room.
Then move with say ni maybe she'll get it.
Huh?
Nibani go Google abewe
No, abu this was a bar abewe ni chapindura. Hey, not that. In your longer side is not. No, Mara order.
Okay, it's fine, God, it's fine.
Order.
Taya mayonnaise yako yango chisuba.
Hey. So simple. Mara when gorita ba pay ngoma. New segment. Give us the name. Okay, no wait. Hapo ni ono da amba first ordozoro ndinyo no controller munge. The new name of the thingy. The name of the new segment. Which articles are very important also. Have you realized that?
Articles. Kambe yope na article.
The unscripted.
Okay, guys,
the giveaway next year. Mutaote obarelwa.
No. I read the unscripted.
The unscripted hour. So obarelwa mutaote. So
what do you hour?
No,
we win.
Barrero, right? No. Afi A, B.
No. I don't be going by events. Yes.
Okay,
we won.
Okay, yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, that's what it. Yeah, so thanks. Into the way intent near Kwame Songwa, Warado, and Wardila, Morin to Renato Series. Yeah, so anything before we close that you want to say, Rio Groove and
No. Just
any remarks about our ground on a mini? Yeah, Zindibu.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I think
that's it.
We've done it, guys. The first one, although I was so scared, but we are from Rava reception, but those are which even Rocho combo, and then our for Rashtoska, but in Mlandu, I'm
Oh,
like,
true, eh?
Dikotomova na Rubiko. Because they were like, I was like, yeah. But then we did it, and then thanks to you guys, Nokono
Thank
Shika,
you.
we did it na wewe nione, and then cheers to more, and then after that, Riko groover, groove up until late in the and him say DJ Ziche, hey, you're not there as well, and then yeah, so yeah, I think we've had it, and yeah, we had a good year this year, and Ranger and Amanda, Rufuda, era kuti Ufuda, and
Nothing.
that should have been also a thing, a hint coming out to
True.
So,
True.
yeah, and shout out to you guys. Also, guys, the couple that we're drinking from, if you want to get them, they're very cheap, $35 only. And then even in South Africa, $100 in the Randa. So, yeah, that, and then the t-shirts, we do have your sizes. We have that at like 200 Rand. I don't know, cheaper price, $199. So yeah, that's something also. So yeah, thanks a lot for the support, and we hope to grow with you guys. Join the memberships if you can. With the memberships, guys, R24 sorry join, and what about subscribe? Either to IG they don't understand YouTube. It's still like a new concept. Subscribe, obviously, the lovers call tune. Yeah, so do join the. Guess who joined the membership?
Who? Oh.
Asimbudziso.
Oh, yeah, we are guessing.
Hey.
Yeah, we are guessing.
Buena. Alu mandori chikondi. Dorori. Aba join.
The owner. Oh,
so yeah, support. Also, you guys can support us. Any like arjela chedi dayotena karine mara. Any ne akodar kokono itazula na zwila na zwinera kokono banazo. So.
Nobody amaginya.
Hey, I think we should close it fast, you know what I mean? But yeah, I can't thank you guys enough. Uapfa, over to you before Richivar, and then we off to groove. I just want to dance.
No, over to me. Anyways, thank you guys for the support, for encouraging us. Namserisa ko dropa, you still watch. We'll try and be more consistent.
Oh, remember?
Episode anyways, let me talk.
Yeah,
anyways, thank you so much for supporting us. Even when namusirisi consistent, we'll try and be more consistent this year.
Yeah.
And above no comment about guys. It's not always going to be possible, but we'll try.
Yeah.
We know you love the duo, but thank you so much for supporting us. The comments are amazing. You guys stand up for us.
Yeah.
Comment.
Hey,
it means a lot, guys, because cyberbullying is real. You guys always support us, and we're very grateful for it. We don't take it for granted. Thank you.
Wait, guys. Before you spoke of the duo, right? Do you guys think Ringaba duo ya blind? Ringa gotomo DJ? Do you know? But yeah, things like what said, and remove. We'll see you on the next episode. So yeah, bye. Cheers, guys.
Thank you. Guys, go have fun.
Enjoy.
We can all go outside. Bye.
Yeah.